In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone to Acer Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Any iPhone model can be easily connected and synced up to a smart TV, including, of course, the Acer models. So to do this, you will be primarily using AirPlay or the screen mirroring feature on your iPhone. So regardless of the model, what you have to do is first swipe from the top to bring up the control center. In the control center, you will see this button here right underneath the connections panel. So when you see this icon that has two rectangles, this refers to screen mirroring, which allows you to wirelessly share the screen of your iPhone to any smart TV. So when you tap this option, you should be able to find the Acer TV listed here. If it doesn't appear here, first check to see if both the iPhone and the Acer TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. So for this to work, both the Acer TV and the iPhone need to be in close proximity and most importantly on the same Wi-Fi network. So this feature of screen mirroring works through the same network on both devices. And as long as you are in close proximity and you go into screen mirroring on the control center, the Acer TV should appear listed here. You can also explore other options on your Acer TV and see if it has access to AirPlay. This way, whenever you are watching something on Netflix, YouTube, and so on, you can use the AirPlay option instead. So the icon looks like this for AirPlay. AirPlay is essentially the same idea. It is going to connect into the TV and mirror whatever it is that you are watching or listening to. But screen mirroring will work for the entirety of the iPhone, while AirPlay usually is only going to be available when you are watching or listening to something. So look for either of these options, and as long as you have a modern Acer Smart TV, you will be able to get this done wirelessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone to Acer Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.